What's up, guys? Today we have the crew again, and we are gonna go grab some food. Forgot my fanny pack. We're gonna go grab some food from Jersey Mike's. It's gonna be good. Yeah, we're gonna do a lot day with some other homies to make sure the camera's on good. We should have everything. You can lead the way if you want. It's just right down there, ain't it? Don't die. I care about you. But yeah, we're gonna go grab some food, do a lot day. I think there's gonna be a whole lot of wheelies and like people learning how to do wheelies. It's gonna be pretty cool. Well, I mean, in my opinion, it's really cool. I love whenever people are learning how to wheelie and learning how to do stoppies or just really anything they're getting out of their comfort zone on. It makes them a better rider, actually. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Stay tuned. Oh, she's fast. I don't know why people do that. It's like you have the right of way, go. We're just inching up so we can, there he goes again. Bro can't make it 5 seconds without making a pull. I don't think he has any clue where we're going either. Oh, this place is so busy. We're gonna start the vid back up once we're done. We ain't gonna record any of this bullshit. That was good. Oh, my boy got Jersey Mike's. I bet that was even better. I'm pretty sure he got Jersey Mike's, and his wife, I saw her in Noodles and Co. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, Jersey Mike's had like 60 people in the line outside the door, and we were not going there, so we hit Noodles and Co. up. First time having it, it was good. I give it like a 7.5 out of 10. Now I think we're going to Rip. Should be fun. And we play the waiting game. I should also probably wash my bike at some point. I think I washed it once. What up, dude? Are we allowed to stunt here? Or do the cops watch it pretty good?
I don't know, the first time I ever came here, I did a few wheelies.
I'm losing traction.
Yeah, I'm not scared of it either, but I don't do it in residential streets. I mean, he said it too. He's like, you guys haul ass in town, but I'm usually on roads like this.
Ow! Oh my
Not even
god!
on residential streets. It's like, there's no yield signs at some of those intersections. How's your asshole feeling after clenching that hard the other day?
It slightly hurts on the right shoe.
But you are lucky. You got fucking airborne and sideways.
Huh? Almost. Couldn't keep it straight. What is up with this? Ooh.
Grab the absolute piss out of it, leave it.
Okay, we'll try this. We made an adjustment. See if that helps. Helped a little, I think.
One time when I false neutral to slam my nuts and my knee and that fucking
Oh.
my soul hurt for the fucking fork.
Yeah, we're gonna have to have like a bigger lot than well,
Well, I can't do shit in these.
like less this. Like that's what I'm after.
That late yet?
Super sick like retro ZX6R. Nice. Huh?
Is there that first bike?
Yeah, no, he was. It's super cool bike, super cool paint scheme.
Yeah.
Guess I better go say hello. What up? What up, dude?
What's up, Kelly?
What up, bro? What is this?
Softail Heritage.
Nice to meet you. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
She didn't want me to stop. She said, no, keep going.
Yeah.
What happened there?
I'm the nicest paint scheme in the group.
No, I fucked something right there.
Nice.
Everyone thinks it's a 650.
It looks, I thought it was too.
Yeah.
It is a Z? Oh, literally the same thing.
Just without mirrors.
Yep, I took my mirrors off and I took those blue.
Now if you do like a fender eliminator,
That's what I'm saying.
be golden, dude. If y'all want pictures, I'm gonna have to run to Walmart and get an SD card. Our SD card just locked on us for some reason.
Yeah, you can go now.
In the camera. Huh?
You can go now.
Yeah, I'm gonna go grab. Are you coming with or staying? Alright, BRB.
He's like, it takes me back.
They're pretty cool people. I like them. They're super polite. I'm not sure how it's gonna work though with like trying to learn wheelies for the other guys who don't know how to, because that, I mean, you probably can't tell with the GoPro effect, but that lot is just all different size, like different heights. Like there are dips and bumps and like uneven pavement everywhere, or I guess like concrete. Hello. I'll head back here.
I'll grab a hoodie.
Ooh, brake. Yeah, ooh, authentic NASCARs. Dale would be proud. I mean, it may be the same helmet, yeah. Let's do 2 of the 256 V30s, the Image Pros. Oh, you've only got one, dang it. Let's do one 128 and one 256. Thank you, sir. You have a good night. I don't know what happened
What do you mean?
to that SD card, but we can use this one strictly for the camera now too, though. Aw. All right, finished at Walmart. Now we're heading back to Come and Go to get something. Then we're going back to the lot. Goodness gracious, that took me forever. Thank you, sir. Are we good? Thank you so much. You as well. Glorious. Actually, not really. Like I said, terrible habit, but you know, everybody has their vice. Mine just so happens to be dip. Am I gonna have time to answer it? Yeah, I will. Oh, we'll be all right. You know, sometimes we clean with it. You gotta turn that Kawasaki quick shifter off. I just missed it. I tried to shift mid wheelie to keep it up, but you know, in a power wheelie. But unfortunately, the quick shifter's turned off. I don't even know how I did that. I think you like hold select or something like that. Do what? I just saw George.
You saw George?
Yeah, they're going to Come and Go. They're at the light right now.
Alright, bet.
And then they'll, yeah,
Getting fuel or what?
yeah, I believe so.
That was fucky.
Quick as fucky. Oh shit, messed up something a second ago. I think you hold this button down. I don't know really how to do this. There it is. I turned off my quick shifter, dude, and huh?
How you adjust it?
Yeah, it's like turns clock and counterclockwise.
So when you're doing the
Yeah, mine don't do
wheelies,
that.
are you on race mode or?
I'm always in full power, and I have traction all the way off all the time.
Okay.
I just don't like it. So like I started on Gixxers, and they don't have shit. So that's just how I learned. So I don't like any of the other stuff.
Because,
I leave mine on street.
so you have it like in, how do you say, fucking
Sport is too much.
rider mode or?
You've got the. Sorry, bud. You've got the digital display,
I know, but
and so you've got multiple modes. You should have like rider,
that's the rider. That's the one I have everything on. Okay.
and you've got your power mode all the way up.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's exact.
I
That's
was gonna ask you because if it has the race mode, but I haven't tried to fucking wheel on race mode.
it has race.
Yeah. That's the rider.
This is just as fast as race. It's the same thing.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It has rain, fucking road, and that's the sport.
Yeah,
But I
yeah.
haven't tried to lift it on sport.
Keep it in rider.
Yeah, that's
Well, if that's what you're used to riding.
yeah, but I was like wondering if you were on fucking like rider in sport mode and doing really smooth.
Yeah, I'm on rider. I'm on the same thing as you. So like rider, all power and no traction at all. Because these have wheelie control,
Yeah.
and so like if they start detecting it lean back, it'll start cutting power slightly, and it makes wheeling really hard. Huh? All right, hey, we'll be back. I gotta run her to the gas station.
I thought you just went to the gas station.
I know, dude.
You get some chew?
Huh?
Are you getting chew?
I already did that. No. Come on. Come on, come on. That's the same kid we saw the other day, I think. How about a warning next time? I'm kidding, I knew. Huh? I don't either, honestly. Can't hear you. Alright, so now guys, we should actually be hitting a lot now. A few more people have showed up and we should be starting to do some wheelies and some other stuff. Go, 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 go. Shooting the gap, guys. Go. Oh my gosh. Why do people do that? Brakes are squeaking. What up, dude? Nice to see you. Really? I'm getting whomped. How old are you? 12. Getting whomped by a 12-year-old? Oh, goodness. Give me some room.
What's going on?
I guess what are we doing?
I need fucking gas. Go for it.
Me too. Yeah, I was just at come and go twice. Dude, I don't have gas either. goodness, I'm getting too old for this crap. I'm selling out. That's fine, dude. You can be in the picture. We're not worried about it. Dang, bro's wheelie in that 650. Hit it again, dude. Come on, let's see it. Get it. Alright guys, sorry the battery died. Had to do a quick battery swap. Risky business, dude. Giving random kids rides.
Especially random kids you don't know.
That's what I'm saying, that's risky business. This little kid's good, dude. Dude, his balance is kind of on point. Attaboy, keep it up. Hey, who's leading? Who's leading this crap? Let's go. Come on. Do what? Holy moly. This? I'm sure it's better than you think. Yeah. My favorite road. Time to take the entire pack to Applebee's. Yeah, trying to scratch it, but I can't. Oh, I should be doing 120 around this. Or, I mean, getting a nice lean, I mean. with that? Hold on. Oh my goodness, not another pass. Bye-bye. This is where I was talking about building a mountain bike trail. Like a small downhill thing. Oh, we're slowing down. I forgot we have a cruiser in front of us. No offense, he's a great rider. But I was gonna go fast. That's my bad. Hey, peace, bro. Nice seeing you.
That can't be good.
What? I was looking at that. Oh, there he is. What up, dude? We definitely aren't all fitting right there, dude. Do what? Oh, nah, dude. That ain't good at all.
And I'm at it. You see that? So wobbly? I think it's because of the bolt.
You have plenty of tools?
Not on me. At home.
Alright.
I ain't got no dick crying like that.
I'm the bad luck charm that blew your dad's Evo up.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
We met at Arnie's forever ago.
I remember.
Yeah. Should I guess go see what kind of cars they got here? I think it's the same every single meet, honestly.
Where's George?
He didn't want to come out, dude. He's
late.
just his kid. Yeah, that makes sense. Hey, watch out, buddy.
I've never heard a boat that loud before.
It's hard to be close to that.
I mean, it's not like a sleep. It's not like anything like insane, but it's just kind of rare to see one supercharge.
That's just clean, bro. This one right here?
Yeah.
This one's yours, huh? Clean, bro.
Is that a 2JZE or GE?
Beautiful car, man.
Is it a 2JZ?
No one.
1JZ?
Yeah. GT.
Okay, I got you.
It's a single turbo.
Yeah.
It's the only one in the United States, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, no one has it.
Fucking clean.
Well, you got the number one in North Dakota for sure.
Hey, you had a bike.
Yeah. Letters.
Letters. Super cool though. Oh, we just have another GT350 and another yacht down there.
What did he say?
Yummy. There goes $2,000.
Yeah, I was gonna say, there goes some money. Alright. We're gonna hang out for a bit, I guess. People drinking, we got people doing other crazy crap. Shit's getting western.
I won't lie. So I was
That was a good time. Do what?
Siri to play music.
Yeah, you tell her.
Radar's going off and I can't even see anything.
Oh, goodness. You ready? Gonna be cold. I got my tinted visor on, I can't see crap. Oh, we're shooting flame. Dang, it's so cold. How did it drop so much today? That's actually crazy. But thank you guys for tuning in. It's been a great evening ride. It was a great bike meet. We got to hang out, I got to bull a little bit. Just a really good time. So smash that like button, subscribe, stay tuned. We'll have tons more content. I'm literally shooting a video in the morning. The editing will get better. The editing will get better, I'm telling you. So just stay tuned, bear with me. We're gonna have a crazy channel, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.